So YouTubers, unboxing this tool today. Let's have a look and see what we got. This is one of my bargain purchases off a well-known auction site. There's a tool that I haven't got, or a tool set I haven't got yet, so I thought I'd give this a try. And a key feature of all my purchases, my tool purchases, it came in budget. Okay, so what have we got here? We have got a US Pro precision screwdriver set. Also, we've got picks. We've got mini picks, and as it stands, I've got no picks, so I thought these would come in handy if you're releasing or reconnecting little springs, or trying to get to something just to pull up or down. The little picks come in handy. But we've got a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 screwdrivers and picks. We've got crosshead, we've got flat blade, we've got different shaped picks, and almost like a bridle point. And we got 4 torque screwdrivers. So I don't think I've got any small torques screwdrivers, so that may come in handy. I don't know much about US Pro. I don't know if they're any good, but I'll let you know in the future. It seems to come in a blown ABS case, which would be really handy for storing in my toolbox, keeping everything nice and tidy. Let's have a look at the forging and the quality. A nice rubber feel to the screwdrivers. Seems to be nicely made and forged. I'll give you an update about the quality of the tips in future to see if they do last or if they just grind away. But there we go, US Pro precision screwdriver set with screwdrivers and picks, and it came in at the price of £8.49 sterling with free P&P off that well-known auction site. Please like, subscribe and share, and if you got any questions, please comment below. This is Al's Tool Chest. Speak to you again soon.